Everyone, myself Adinath Gore. I am a director of Heatgen Rubbertec Pvt Limited. Welcome to TLC Expo. We are manufacturing in rubber product. It's o-ring for use pipeline, gas pipeline, and dimension is 600 mm. Our capacity is more than 1200 mm. It's the first o-ring and this dimension in Pune. Heatgen Group actually start since 2011. That time we import industrial burner from Germany and Italy, and after that COVID we start our manufacturing own burner and name against Heatgen. And before 6 months we start Heatgen Rubbertec Pvt Limited in polymer industries. Actually we focus on gas pipeline and o-ring, also washer.